Okay, this video is for setting up your home page as the landing page of your website. So what you do is you come into your dashboard and you go to Appearance and you go to Customize, and in Customize there's a setting for home page settings. And on the home page settings, you see I've got mine set for a static page. Your home page displays a static page. And this static page is the page you've selected. So you can actually pick a different page or a post if you want. You can select a single post as your landing page, as opposed to the default. When your site is set up, it's set as your latest posts. So you'll see the scrolling posts that you've been creating over time. But I like to set a static page, and that's my home page. All right. So once that's done, you have to hit Published. Mine's disabled because I haven't changed it. But when you change your settings, you'll be able to publish, and that's it. So now once you go to your home page, that will be your landing page. All right, cool. Thanks.